Ignoring the updates to WordPress itself, your theme, and plugins. Themes, plugins, and WordPress are all updated periodically for bug fixes, to add new functionality, and to even correct security vulnerabilities. I mean, all software has some vulnerability and bugs, and they're generally minimal, and many times the internal team will find them before anyone else outside does. I mean, think about it. Many of the updates from Apple, Microsoft on your Android device, our individual applications that we use on laptops and phones, they're fixes for a combination of bugs and security weaknesses. And your WordPress website is no different. The fix? Make sure that you keep your plugins, theme, and WordPress core up to date. Log into your WordPress admin, go to Dashboard, and look under Updates and Plugins, and there's going to be a number there if any of those plugins or WordPress need to be updated. Now, a tip is delete any unused or unneeded themes. There's no reason to get notifications and feel that you need to update files if your site does not need them anyways. So remove them and it'll reduce your stress. And if you don't log into your WordPress site very often, such as having an IDX or home search tools that captures your leads and pushes them out to a dedicated real estate CRM, add a recurring event to your calendar so that you can log in every 2 to 4 weeks just to check for updates.